it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Christmas reindeer. There are several different ways to draw reindeer. This is just another way to do it. So just to give you options on the channel's entirely about holidays. And there you go. So like I said, there's going to be an 8-minute lesson. So I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So if you're a beginner, you're in a perfect spot, okay? Let's get started. Before I do that, don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. If you like learning to draw Christmas stuff, hit the subscribe, and it's not only going to, subscribe you for this time, but it's going to subscribe you for next year, even. Next year, when next Christmas rolls around, you'll just start seeing, how to draw Christmas stuff, tutorials on your list. So absolutely take advantage of that. All right, let's get started. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to start front of the nose here. Pulling up, back for the top of the head. Going here to the very end, curve down, kind of in a smile. Over here for the far side ear. Over here on this side for the ear on this side. Gonna pull down, curve in, line in here for the neck. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull a line back for the top of the body there. Pulling in for the tail. Gonna go down a bit, pull down for the chest. Zigzag. Line down here for the front hoof. Down over here for the other one. And I'm going to curve a line right there. Go over here on this far end. Curve down. Curve underneath. Curve underneath. And fill this in. And right here, fill this in except for one part of the edge there. Line over here. Curve like so. Down for the hoof here. Gonna curve over here on this side. Pull down here for the back. And all the way down to the hoof here. Okay, like a line here. Gonna go over here to the far end and pull down the far side hoof. Line over here, line over here. Then I'm going to pull, leave a line over there empty. Right there, fill that in. Line over here. And leave that empty. Curve along the nose here. And I'm going to fill that in. This is not Rudolph. Circle right here for one eye. Circle for the other eye. And I'm gonna leave a little space there open, then fill in the rest. Leave a little space here, and fill in the rest. Line up, out, over here. Line up, out, over here. Down, out, in. Curve down here, line up, down, out over here, and we're gonna continue to go back down here for one antler. Gonna try to do the exact same shape on the other side. Up, down, up here. over here, then pull up over here. It's almost like, I don't know, like claws or something on the antlers themselves. And then the last thing I'm going to do is, well, let me draw a line over here on the inside for the ear. And it's going to be a triangle here for the ear. Smile that a little bit more. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a thicker line around the entire border. And that's going to create a just kind of a distinct look to it, which I like. It's going to make it look like a sticker. Don't forget to hit the like button for Christmas time. It's fun to do these. If you like the lesson, hit that like, or if you just are a big fan of Christmas, hit that like. Helps the channel out, and it does a lot. Honestly, it really does a lot. Curve here up, curve underneath, line over here, down, up. Throwing thicker lines. So Christmas is an awesome time of year, and I'm glad to do this on this holiday channel. Like I said, I do post through the year, but it's going to be much less. Like right now I'm posting 3 times a day. That's probably going to go down to like once a day probably during the during the season there, and it's going to be mostly like probably like since there's no holiday, I mean it'll be holidays as well. Obviously it's revolved around Halloween and Christmas. I'll probably put stuff I don't know. I'll probably put stuff like with I was thinking movie villains, something like that, like because it's related to Halloween, something like that. But yeah, that's what I did last year, so it's kind of like spooky art overall. And that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. That is a Christmas reindeer. Thank you. You are amazing. If you do want to help the channel out, the best thing you can do would be to share the video with a friend. Just press that share button and it'll or auto share it on the bottom right hand corner. If you're on YouTube, there's a share button and it shows all the social media platforms, and you can auto share it to whatever you're logged into already, like Twitter or Reddit or anything like that. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Merry Christmas. Christmas present would be, if you're to give me a Christmas present, share the video. That'd be the biggest thing you do. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.